I should add that there is an added element in that Mr. Persaud, who crossed the floor, it was found out after he voted that he has dual nationality. And if you have dual nationality, just like in Belize, you cannot sit in the House of Representatives, in the case of Guyana, in their National Assembly. So we will also be arguing that his vote should never ever have been counted because he was unqualified to be elected and his vote was in violation of the Constitution. So whether 33 or 34 is the correct number, we say that his vote should never have been counted and it fails. The reason why there is an urgency to the case is because under the Guyana Constitution, if a no confidence motion passes, elections must be held in 3 months. Well, the 3 months would be the 22nd of March 2019. Well, we are past that, no elections have been held. And the Elections Commission in Guyana, which is independent of the government, has said that they have to do a re-registration exercise before an election can be held, and so they say that they cannot do the election until the earliest November of this year. So the other fundamental issue is, since the 3 months have passed, as mandated by the Constitution, is the government lawfully in office?
How unique a case is this? Because it would seem as though it's a first of its kind legal matter.
Yes, well, we have done a lot of research and we have not found any case that is very similar to this. There are cases of unqualified members of the House voting, and so we have cases and precedents on that. But in terms of a constitution saying if a no confidence motion passes, you have a specific time by which you must have elections and demit office, we have not found any precedent, so it seems to be quite a unique case. We had the case management conference this morning and there was quite a number of attorneys. I understand some more will be joining the many teams because there are 3 cases and all 3 have been consolidated to be heard together on the 10th of May in Trinidad and Tobago. It's of high constitutional importance for Guyana, as you can imagine, but in terms of Commonwealth Caribbean and the wider Commonwealth law, I think it's a unique case and will be setting a precedent.